Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today we are in the capital of Finland, Helsinki, and we are here just for a couple of hours. So we are going to explore the city center and just walk around, look at those beautiful buildings as you can see. And also we are going to an island which is a UNESCO World Heritage Island, and that is like a 15-minute ferry ride from Helsinki. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, let's start the video. We flew into Helsinki airport, and from there are a lot of buses that take you to the city center, and it takes around 40 minutes to reach there. Since we had only few hours in Helsinki before we start our journey to the Arctic Circle, the first thing we did after arriving in the city was heading straight to the luggage locker at the Helsinki Central Railway Station. They have a huge locker room open every day, which makes it super convenient when you are traveling on a tight schedule. They have different size lockers including small, extra large or even a tall ski size locker for large items. Prices vary depending on the size and the time you need, but the smaller lockers start with a few euros for a short booking. We found this service super convenient and it was safe to keep your luggage there. We booked the luggage for 6 hours and paid 6.9 euros. We have kept our luggage and we have 6 hours to explore Helsinki. But first we are going to have lunch. We're just going to some fast food place because we are short of time. We are here at Friends and Burger restaurant, and I found gluten-free crispy chicken burger. So basically wherever I go I cannot find gluten-free chicken burgers. But yeah, I'm happy, so we're going to try it. The menu is in Swedish, so we're trying to translate it in English.
Show how the burger is.
Looks good.
Nice? चलो बढ़िया. Worth it? Good place ना फिर gluten free burger, good fries, unlimited drink.
Now we are exploring the city center. We begin our walk inside one of the malls in the city center, a warm and easy starting point. We wandered around, checked out a few Finnish brands and got a feel of the local style. The city blends modern Nordic designs with beautiful old buildings, and every corner looks clean and organized. We then went in one of the small parks near the center. Even in March, when the trees haven't fully come back to life, the parks are peaceful. From there, we followed the tram line. Eventually, we made our way to the market square by the harbor. There were boats coming in, stalls setting up, seagulls doing their thing, and the sea right in front of you. Overall, I really liked the city. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, as this was an important military base during the war for Sweden, Russia and Finland, I think. So now we are going to explore this island. So you can come to this island via ferry from Helsinki, and they have all the timings available on their website. Basically, I think there is ferry every 1 hour from both the places, and it costs around 3 euros per person single. It's not that expensive also, and in 15 minutes you reach the other side. There's no need to like pre-book. This is considered as one of the public transportation here, so you just go at the place and take ticket at that time. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site built in the mid 1700s on a group of islands just off Helsinki. It's an old sea fortress with tunnels, stone walls, coastal views, and plenty of open walking path. It's perfect for a quick escape from the city. The island is very raw and beautiful, I would say. There are, I think, only 800 people like live here permanently, and it is open for tourists to come. Now we are just sitting here on the island enjoying the view, soaking in the sun. The sun is very strong over here, so even if it's cold, you feel hot also.
It's because we are more closer to the poles, so the sun is more strong.
Yeah, if we feel cold, so we wear all our like beanie, gloves and all, and then after some times again we feel very hot when we come in sun.
This side I'm hot, this side I'm cold. That's why.
Fun fact, Finland water is considered as the world's purest water, and we are going to try it. It is different. It tastes different.
It does.
है ना?
It tastes, I don't know how to say it, but more natural. How is it?
हाँ, but it tastes different.
It does.
So I got my mini sketchbook and pen and color pens specifically for this trip and onwards trip wherever I go. So I've decided that I'll draw something whenever I'm on a trip. This is it for today's video. This was how we spent our 6 hours in Helsinki. Of course, there are a lot more things to explore in the city if you have time. In the next video, we are heading into Lapland, exploring the Arctic Circle, winter activities, and some of the most beautiful landscapes in Finland. So if you want to follow the rest of the adventure, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video.